Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to rename a Google Gemini chat thread. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Gemini, open the app, and after that, go and click on the icon on the top left of the screen. And after that, go to whatever chat thread you want, long press on it, and as you can see, you will see rename here. Click on it and delete the old name and give it the new name and click on done. And as you can see, the chat thread was renamed. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.